Hey everyone, welcome to my channel HyperDrive. Today we are going to discuss some advanced topics of HTML and CSS. As first one is iframe. It is used for advertisements, embedded videos, web analytics. Here we are showing the map through URL. As file paths are used to link external files like JavaScript, CSS, images, and other web pages in the HTML document. Here we do have image in our project's asset folder. A responsive web design will automatically adjust for different screen sizes and viewports. Here we first gave 10 VW to font size, which obviously looks good when we even move to small screen. But 10 pixels not working like that. Semantic tags are tags that define the meaning of the content they contain. Non-semantic elements are span and div and they tell nothing about their content. Entities are the reserved characters that are used in the HTML document. They are not present in your standard keyboard. Some of the examples are shown for demonstration. We used form tag when we want to take input from user, like we want to store various data of users or some products. We can use form tag as Next, let's see some examples of different form elements. The input HTML element is used to create interactive controls for web-based forms in order to accept data from the user. The usage of few input types is here. Last is media include videos, audios. We can add internal video as we can add internal audio as Last is YouTube video which we can add through iframe, which we already covered the topic. Congratulations, you just completed some advanced topics of HTML. Now it's time to cover some CSS topics. First is opacity, as opacity level describes the transparency level, where 1 is not transparent at all, 0.5 is 50% see-through, and 0 is completely transparent. The CSS attribute selector matches elements based on the element having a given attribute explicitly set. As here, first we work on attribute type, which is text, and now password. You can give any attribute here based on your requirements. The border image property allows you to specify an image to be used as the border around an element. Here we are specifying an image which we already have in our project. You can select or even customize that image on your own. Now let's talk about gradient. Gradients let you display smooth transitions between two or more specified colors. Gradients is of three types. Linear goes down, up, left, right diagonally. Radial defined by center, conic rotated around a center point. Shadow property adds shadow effects around an element's frame. Here I'm given shadow to a div whose ID is image. Here shadow isn't working because we need to give colors in hexadecimal code. Transitions provide a way to control animation speed when changing CSS properties. And the transform property lets you rotate, scale, skew, or translate an element. Let's have a look with the example code. Masking is a graphical operation that can fully or partially hide the portions of an element or object. Media queries are a key part of responsive web design, as they allow you to create different layouts depending on the size of the viewport. Let's change the background color through this.